Hi everyone! With Clenid Household Appliances Cleaner, our assistant in daily cleaning, we're going to clean the appliance that the coffee aficionados love the most, the espresso machine. Let's see how the lime which accumulates in the espresso machine and reduces the performance of your appliance can effortlessly be cleaned with Clenid Household Appliances Cleaner. I pour half a bottle, 200 milliliters of Clenid Household Appliances Cleaner into an empty container. I add the same amount of water and I prepare the mixture. I pour this mixture into the water tank of the appliance to be cleaned according to the amounts specified in the manufacturer's product manual. Again, I clean the appliance by applying the descaling steps mentioned in the manual. After cleaning, I rinse my device at least twice with clean water. Now I can comfortably use my espresso machine. Cleaning is very easy with a strong and sensitive cleaning family like Clenid. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on solutions. I'm waiting for your questions and comments.